Check this out, guys. I am giving away this dash cam 100% free. You just need to be a subscriber on my new channel, which is Our Viral Product Reviews. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. I will also put a link down in the description. Go subscribe to that channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment. Leaving a comment is gonna be your entry to win this dash cam, and that is also how I will be contacting you to let you know that you won. The winner will be announced June 1st or earlier if this video hits 1,000 views. This dash cam, guys, this is no joke. This is a 4K dash cam with a 2.5K rear camera. List price for this is $350. This is no cheap dash cam. It's made by Pelsee. This is a high quality dash cam, and I'm gonna have my review video on this dash cam after this. And if you wanna win something else, I've done a video on these Bluetooth speakers. Not too late to win those. Go watch those videos. Leave a comment to enter to win that. I have 2 more dash cams over here that I'm trying to give away. This one right here, I've already done a video on. You can win this one. This evaporative cooler, I've already done a video on. You can go win that one. This one's next. This Road Witness mirror dash cam, that one's gonna be next. I'm gonna be giving away a lot of stuff, so make sure you're a subscriber on my new channel, Our Viral Product Reviews. Go subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know that you want to win. Check this out, guys. We're going to do an unboxing of this Pelsee dash cam. I am a big Pelsee fan. I've installed a lot of their dash cams, and the amount of dash cams that are available on Amazon is crazy, and trying to find a good one I know can be definitely overwhelming. I can vouch for Pelsee. I've used their stuff for years. I have a Pelsee dash cam in my truck right now that works absolutely amazing with Hardwire kit. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. You definitely got to be careful with what you buy as far as dash cams, especially when it comes to video quality, because it's going to say it's 4K. It's not always 4K. You want to make sure that the video quality is there, because what if something does happen? What if you get in an accident or someone bumps into you, whatever the case may be, then you go back to check that footage and it's blurry. You can't read license plate. You can't really see what's going on. You want to make sure you do have something that is very high quality when it comes to video footage, and something like Pelsee is definitely going to give that to you right away. This is an absolutely beautiful little machine here. What do we got? We got our adhesive mount here up top. Right here on the back we have a USB-C for power, and then also that little outlet right there, that is going to be for our rear camera. On the side here we got our power button, and this should adjust this way so you could use the adhesive mount. A nice large screen on this side, very large screen, which is nice. And then there's our camera here. So this would stick into our dash like that, and then we would be able to tilt it to adjust where we want the camera pointing, which is really, really nice. Definitely very high quality. You're gonna notice right away when you get a cheap dash camera, just by holding it in your hand, like, it doesn't feel quality. This is solid. What else we got on here? I'm missing something. All right, here we go. This is our rear dash camera. Pretty standard rear dash camera. Let's see, adhesive mount there, so we could stick this in the back. So our front camera, it's gonna film in 4K. Our rear camera is 2.5K. So our camera, adhesive mount, stick that into the window, and then this is going to adjust the same way. So once it's stuck, we can spin this in any direction we want to make sure we get the perfect angle. So just being able to adjust it like that is really nice. That makes it compatible with virtually any vehicle, because everyone's pitch in their rear window, your windshield is all going to be different, so make sure you can get it angled properly. All right, all of our wiring, we got some adhesive clip for our wiring. Let's see, we got an SD card here, and it is a 128 gig SD card, which is more than enough. I've never had to upgrade from 128. It's gonna rewrite, right? So when you put the SD card in there, it's not like it fills up, it's gonna rewrite. So you don't really necessarily, I know people put in like crazy high SD cards in there, but I've never had an issue with 128. It's plenty. Even with filming at 4K. Screwdriver, trim tool. So what else we got here? All right. right, so this is going to be for our power. We got our DC port here. This is always a nice feature too, right? So we got our DC port. This is going to plug into your DC port or your cigarette lighter, right? And it's giving you a USB-C and a USB because this is going to plug in here, right? And now we still have a USB-C port. If we want to, you know, charge our phone or whatever the case may be, you can still do that. And then this wire is going to run up here to the power, and it's going to plug into the power just like that. And then I forgot to show you on this side, but this is where an SD card is going to go. So that's it. It's really a plug and play unit. You'll take this and plug it into your DC port, and then you're good to go. And this is my favorite part. So if you've never installed a dash cam before, this is kind of a newer thing to be able to power it through your OBD, right? Making it a lot cleaner installation. And they did give us a flat wire, which I really like, which is going to make it really easy to run this wire, whether it's through the headliner, behind the dash, so you have a seamless installation. So we have two power options. So if you want to just plug it into your DC port, super easy. If you want something that's a little more hidden, you can use this wiring harness here. Plug in the same way, USB-C, plug into our dash cam, front dash cam, just like that, super easy. But you're gonna run this part to your OBD, right? And it's basically just like plugging it into an outlet, right? So you're gonna take this and you're gonna run it. And if you don't know where it is, it's basically under your steering column. So go under where your pedals are, under there, look up, you're gonna see a port, and this is just going to plug into it. It's literally that easy. It's like plugging something into a wall, really. That way it can be hidden. All the wires are not noticeable. You have this installed into your dash, run the wire up through the headliner, down through the A-pillar, behind the dash, plug this in to your OBD. Perfect, nice, clean installation. What else we got? This should be our wiring for our rear camera. There we go. Yes, it is. Plenty of footage here. So this is, even if you have a big truck, SUV, Honda Civic, whatever the case may be, it's going to reach. So they're going to give you plenty of wiring to reach to your rear camera here. And this is going to be super easy to install. Right here on the side, we have a USB-C port. Boom, plugged in. And then this is going to run up to this unit here, right there where it says rear. And we're going to plug that in. There we go. Make sure I have the right orientation. Boom, that's it. So you got two plugs. You have a plug that's going to run your rear camera, and then you have your power wire. That's it. Plug that in. Like they've made these dash cams just so easy, plug and play now, able to plug it into the OBD, making the wiring seamless. And then the same thing with this to running it to your back camera. Have your dash cam installed up through the headliner around, and then drop it down from the headliner and plug it in here. Adhesive mount, so easy. Like I'm, like I said in the beginning, I'm a Pelsee fan. They make really good, high quality products. The video footage is going to be great. You're going to be able to read license plates. That's not something that you're going to have to worry about. G sensor, has the G sensor. If you're looking at options for dash cams, G sensor for me is a must. If you don't know what that is, that's when something hits your vehicle. You have it recorded, it's locked in. It locks the video, it can't be erased. Because you can lock videos, you can lock and unlock videos. That video secured. And then also when your car, see you're in a parking lot, right? You don't have eyes on your vehicle. Someone bumps into you, come back out to your car, your tail lights busted out. You have a dent in the side of your car, whatever the case may be. And you can adjust this from low, medium, high, right? So if it's just a little tiny jolt, someone brushed your car, you can turn that off so you don't have all those recordings. Or if you want those recordings, you can get those recordings. So you can set the sensitivity. So when your car moves, the dash cam is going to capture it. So you can come back to your car, open up the app, scroll through, look at all your videos and see what happened, and you have it recorded in 4K, which is amazing. So if you're looking for a dash cam, definitely check out Pelsee. They make a good quality product. Be wary of some of the other stuff that you see out there.